I would rather win collective titles than individual awards. I want to be a better person than to be the best player in the world. Football has been my life since I was a kid. My style is the same. I love every minute of it on the pitch. I know I have a big responsibility and I have goals to fulfill. But I also try to have fun on the pitch because football is my passion. So, these are just two of the many inspirational quotes of a man who is considered as a monument of the football in the world. Do you know who am I talking about? Yes, that's right, Lionel Messi, from rookies to become a legend of world football. The artwork below is like a word of gratitude for his great contributions to the world football. Thanks for the extremely classic goals on the pitch that made the audience on cloud nine. Thank you for everything. The monument M10 Lionel Messi, made entirely from bamboo and clay, was completed right after Messi reached his final dream in his career, the 2022 World Cup Championship. Although the world may not be ideal in the view of others, we appreciate him and desire him the best. Lionel Messi, an Argentine soccer player, is regarded by many as one of all-time greatest players and has won 7 Ballon d'Or awards, more than anyone else in the world. He has received the most Golden Ball awards. Moreover, Messi also won the FIFA Best Player award both in 2009 and 2019. Messi is the player with the most official assists in football history and holds a record for the most goals scored in La Liga, the Supercopa de España, and the UEFA Super Cup. He is the first player in history who won 5 and 6 European Golden Boot, and he has scored 756 goals in his career for club and country. Legendary, greatest, immortal, those are the beautiful words that the world media has described about Lionel Messi after he and the Argentina team won one of the joint matches. It is the most exciting and dramatic World Cup in history. The victory in the penalty shootout against France gave La Abyssales the first World Championships since the Golden Boy Diego Maradona and his teammates brought South America the championship trophy in 1986. That victory exploded with joy in Argentina, where the media hailed the nation's newest generation of top players and their patron Lionel Messi. of M10 holding the trophy and the team celebrations became the hot news on the websites and global social networks, with the headline, Argentina and Messi finally win the cup and reach the football paradise in Qatar. Daily La Nation praised the team for winning the greatest final in history, while the Clarín newspaper described it as an unforgettable match. The homepage of the Sports Daily Owl headlined, "We are world champions," with the detailed description. Argentina beat France in penalty shootout and the trophy was lifted by Messi, the best player. Now, let's take a look at the entire Lionel Messi statue with 7 golden balls made of bamboo and clay, combined with an aquarium to see the ingenuity, meticulousness, and talented hands of the artist. Let us know what you think about this piece. If you like us, please subscribe to support and follow us on the next videos. Thank you for your watching the video.